Yeah. Yeah, man, I do it for the fam. Tryna put food on my table, going ham. PYT says she knows who I am. Brows on fleek, she'll do it for the gram. Love storing drugs, she'll do it for a gram. Body up a model with an ass.
Alright guys, what's going on? So today, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to fix your iPhone 4. Okay, there's a few problems wrong with this. The back comes off, which I have replacement screws for this. The screwdriver you'll be needing is the pentalobe. I don't know the specifics, but I know it's like something like pentalobe, and then a really small Phillips screwdriver, and that's basically all you need. And like some optional things are like plastic pliers and stuff like that. But anyways, I'm going to show you how to replace replace the front screen as well as the battery. So, all right. Basically, from here, what you would do is just see, when you take it apart, you'll see on the back there's actually a Canadian sticker on there. That's kind of crazy, actually. So anyways, when you're at this point, this is when you're going to want to remove the back. Because now you're going to want to, like I said, you're going to want to replace the battery. So when you're here, just grab your very small Phillips screwdriver and
Alright guys, thank you for watching my video. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah, man, I do it for the fam. Tryna put food on my table, going ham. PYT says she knows who I am. Brows on fleek, she'll do it for the gram. Love storing drugs, she'll do it for